say thank you so much for ordering your art kits with me. I really look forward to painting with you on Saturday. We will be painting this painting called Awakening. This is a very big copy of it. You will be receiving an art kit if you purchased one. And in your art kit, you will have your very own canvas. It's an 8x10. It's a staple back canvas on a wooden frame, so you can hang your artwork up once you're done, okay? Also in your art kit, you will find a plastic plate where you can mix your colors if you feel like using this. That is also a great tool. I have also included a cup for you where you will be using this to rinse out your paintbrushes. I only recommend that you use like half of a cup of water. You don't want to use too much. Also, you have two paintbrushes. One is a square tip brush and one is a fine tip brush. We'll be using both, and I'll show you how to do that once we start our class on Saturday. Again, we have more stuff, which is really cool because this is a complete kit. You don't need anything else except for maybe some more paper towels, but I have included one for you, okay? Should be enough, unless you're a messy painter like me. And thirdly, we have our disposable apron, which is very helpful to avoid you from getting it all over your clothes. And then last but not least, we have our acrylic paints. And I put them in these really cute jars so you can reseal them and use them again later on if you have more left. So you'll have pink, white, aqua, brown, and black. And I also included my business card for you. I am going to be recording this on a YouTube video, and it should be uploaded by the end of the week, where you can always refer back for free on my channel, and you can always, catch up on something that you might have missed. So everything will be here and supplied to you in your art kit, and I look forward to painting with you guys. Thank you so much.